of a party last night.
No, I thought I killed that guy.
Damn.
It seems as if the boy has spotted me. I will let you two take care of him. He's not over here. Check the bathroom, my brother. Okay, then. Come out. Perhaps he's behind the curtain.
What's up, dude?
Who are you? Who are you and what the hell do you want?
We want nothing more but the weapon from you.
That weapon is too powerful. If it falls into the wrong hands, it can mean the destruction of everybody.
I guess we'll have to do things the hard way.
Oh man. I gotta use that weapon before it falls into the wrong hands.